We know that President Trump wants more factories back in the US, but now we're hearing that China's considering a new version of its master plan to upgrade its manufacturing sector. This is part of the Made in China agenda, which first surfaced 10 years ago, and the goal was for China to have leadership globally across a range of different high-end technologies by 2025. This program got a lot of pushback from the West, so much so that China even avoided identifying it by name, at least in official discourse. But that doesn't mean that Made in China actually went away. In fact, out of the 13 key technologies that our Bloomberg analysts track from the initial plan, China now has global leadership in 5 of them and is fast catching up in a further 7. So now we're hearing that China's thinking about drafting a new iteration of Made in China. Sources say that it could outline goals for the next decade and prioritize different technologies like chip-making equipment, which the US has been blocking China from buying. Exactly when we get this blueprint, that's unclear, but there is a separate 5-year national development plan that's due for release in March, and that could be the point for the new Made in China to be unveiled.